guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sushma and today I'm gonna take you through our day 3 at Pondicherry. And before we move ahead, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so that you get notifications when I upload new videos. So let's go!
Hello.
As usual, we started our day with breakfast.
Hi. Good morning, Aju.
Good morning, mommy.
Hi, Shrikant.
After our breakfast, we headed to the swimming pool which was in the resort itself, and it was one of the biggest swimming pools I have ever seen. And let's go and have some fun. We enjoyed there for quite some time and we went back to the hotel rooms to get ready, pack our luggages and do check out, and then we explored the resort. So let's go and explore the resort. The ambience was too good. The resort is wonderful. So let's go check it out. This day we completely spent at the resort exploring it. Children also had a lot of fun with ducks, rabbits and goats which was in the resort, and they played in the play area, and they do have a lot of games. And the resort which we were staying was Ocean Spray. It was a 5-star resort and the ambience was too good, and it was wonderful. I would definitely suggest you to have your stay there when you go to Pondicherry. And after this we checked out like I said before, and then we started to Bangalore. Ours was a road trip and we reached Bangalore safely. We started at around afternoon, and by the time we reached Bangalore it was around 10. The roads were not so good, so overall the trip was awesome. The beaches were extraordinary and refreshing. After this refreshing trip, feel more energetic and enthusiastic. So I wish you all a very happy vacation if you're planning to visit Pondicherry. Thank you so much.
So please like, share, subscribe.
Hey, bell icon.
Don't forget to click on the bell icon for more updates. Tintin.